Hello, welcome to my channel Study Easy. In chapter Boolean Algebra, we have already learned about the important rules or a basic rules we can say for logic gates. Today we are going to learn about the logic gates. What are logic gates? Means a short introduction about the gates, their symbols and their working. Let's begin. There are three main types of gates. First are basic gates, second are universal gates, and third are other logic gates. They are grouped in these three categories by, as we have gates which are basically only a three types: AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate. Using AND gate we can make NAND gate, and using OR gate we can make NOR gate. These two gates are universal gates. Why? Because universal gates are the gates which are easily available, easily made a circuit of any equation using NAND or NOR gates. Second advantage is, if we use NAND or NOR gate, it will be less complicated than the gate used which are basic gates. We need to use more number of gates, we need to use multiple number of gates at the time when we are implementing any circuit with only basic gates. But if you are implementing any of the logic using NAND or a NOR gate, then a single gate type will be used to generate any of the equation. Other gates, logic gates, are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Let's see AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. What do an AND gate do? AND gate do the multiplication. If there is a two variable A and B, then A and B variable value will be multiplied with each other after given to the AND gate. What do and NOT gate do? NOT gate is an inverter. What do an inverter do? Inverter do whatever input you give, it will invert or reverse or give the opposite value that you have already given. It means if you apply one logic, then output will be 0. So it is a one input gate which gives you inverted output. Another is OR gate. The symbol of OR gate you can see here. It gives the output of two variable addition. If you give two variable A and B as an input, you will get an addition of this two variable value. As I have told, NAND gate is made from AND gate. So AND gate with a small dot you can see over here, NAND gate is done. So AND gate, what will this AND gate will do? AND gate will do multiplication. NOT gate is placed at the last, at the output side. It means the multiplicated answer will be inverted at the last. So this is the result of NAND gate. Same way NOR gate. NOR gate is having an OR gate with a NOT gate. So OR gate, what is a function? It does the addition, and NOT gate will invert the output. XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate is a gate will gives you 1 as an output when there is a different value in your input. Whereas in XNOR gate, if you have same value in your input, then output will be false. Hope you understood all the gates, how it is categorized in 3 different groups. Each and every gate with a basic information we will learn in our next lecture. So don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification first. Subscribe my channel, like this video if you understand, and share it with your friends. Thank you.